Blessed new day, y'all. KareBuilder here. Kindness of Lunar Region, everyone builder here yet once and again for some more self-care and self-love to set the tone of our day in expectation of wonderful things unfolding and manifesting, right? Showing up, aiding us along this day's journey as we expect to see thoughts turning into things and see the manifestations of those ideas and plans that we were blessed to receive from the divine, right? To make them tangible. So this is why I'm here, y'all. Let's get a couple of cleansing breaths in as I am thankful for this time right now with you. Thankful for you and the love and support that you share and give, your comments and likes and bookmarks and shares as well. And I hope that you and pray that you have a beautifully blessed and prosperous day today, right? This is why we're here, so that as we move throughout the day, thrive throughout the day, we just get to see wonderful things unfold in our lives and for our lives and through our lives. This is what it's about. Living is about, right? All right, let's get a couple of cleansing breaths in. Inhale through our noses, that precious breath of life. Exhale through our mouths and activate that cerebral fluid at the base of the spine so it can go up the spine to the pineal gland or the third eye, depending on whichever you want to call it. And that interaction with the divine is kicked in. So let's go ahead and get that started. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then another. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Wonderful. Wonderful. So also I will be doing stretches at 8:30. Well, let's see, what time is it now? It should be 8:30. So probably 9 o'clock, 9:30 on Facebook. Let's just make it 9:30. So if you want to meet me there for some more self-care and self-love, I'm looking forward to having you. Peace and love.